Hi all, welcome back to another video of JavaScript. Today we are going to discuss about event familiarization. You can interact with JavaScript using events. This can be handled through events. Events can be occurred when the user or the browser manipulates a page. When a page loads, it is called an event. When the user clicks a button, it is called an event. Then the mouse is over, we have an event. Then other example include events like pressing any key, closing window, resizing a window, etc. Developers can use these events to execute JavaScript coded responses, which cause button to close windows, message to be displayed to users, data to be validated, and virtually any other type of response imaginable. Now, events are a part of DOM, that means document object model, level 3, and every HTML elements contains a set of events which can trigger JavaScript code. Now we have some important event types. On load, it triggers when the document loads. On click triggers on a mouse click. On blur triggers when the window lost focus. On submit triggers when a form is submitted. On mouse over triggers when you bring your mouse over any element. On mouse out triggers when you move your mouse out from that element. Now we have some examples. We are going with the onload event. Now this is happened when the document load. That means in the body we can put onload function, that is my function is there. Onload, we are displaying an alert box, that is page is loaded. Now we can run it. See, we have an alert box that displays page is loaded. Okay, this is about onload event. Hello, welcome. Now we have mouse event on click. When a mouse click, it happens. That means we have a demo. In the time can be in the demo, the time can be displayed. So here we have the result. Now you can see the result here. And after that we have another mouse event on mouse over. We can do in this example. Here we put on mouse over. All these are there. On mouse down, on mouse enter, on mouse leave, on mouse move, on mouse out, on mouse up, on mouse wheel. Now we do on mouse over. Now save it and run. See, when the mouse is over, you can see the result. Time is displayed. Now we have on mouse out. Save it. Run. Here we have the result. When mouse is out, the result is displayed. Now you can do all these mouse events. We are going to moving to next topic, on submit. On submit can be used inside a form. Here we have the action part. You can put the reference page here. That means when you click the submit button, the form or the page direct to action page.php. Now we have on submit page. See, click your name, then put submit. This page says the form was submitted. Like this it can happen. Now moving to next topic, on change. We have on change function. What will happen? Here we have some option list BCA, CS, IF and MCJ. When you select any one of these, you can see that value in your box. Now run it. Here we have a drop down box. When you select IF, you can see IF here, that is on change event. Now we have on blur event. On blur event occurred when they transform the input text to uppercase. Now we can run it. On blur. Your name Hanish. Then it is automatically converted into capital letter. We can do with another example, Ubaid Shafi. Here we have small letter. When click outside, then it can be transferred to uppercase. This is about mouse event in JavaScript.